The truth is, you need phrasal verbs to understand and be understood in English. And they're so difficult to learn. But in this series of short lessons, you're going to learn some of the more common ones. You'll learn how to pronounce them in a fast, natural way, and also the way that native English speakers use them in everyday conversations. For a free guide to all the phrasal verbs used in this series, just click the link in the description below. If you're already a member of our English Improvers community, this will be sent to you automatically. Hi, I'm Steve. Let's do this. Today's commonly used phrasal verb is turn in, and it has lots of different uses. First, let's learn to say it like native English speakers do, and they pronounce it as one word. And the way they do this is by moving the n from the end of turn to the I at the front of in. So turn in becomes turn-in. And at normal speed, turn in. You try. Try and make it sound like just one word. Turn in. The first meaning of turn in is used every day because it means to go to bed.
That was a really long day.
It certainly was. Shall we turn in?
Good idea. I feel like I could sleep for a week.
Another use is to change directions, especially if you're in a vehicle, and enter a place like a car park or a driveway. How do I get to the new shopping centre?
Drive along the main road, and when you see the signs, turn into the big car park.
You can also use turn in when you complete some work, like homework or a report, and then you give it to the person who is responsible for it. For example, you turn in your homework to the teacher, or you turn in a report to your boss.
Can we go out tonight?
Sorry, I need to finish my expenses claim. I need to turn it in tomorrow. Now let's look at a use for turn in that I hope you never have to use. Because if you turn someone in, it means you know they've done something wrong and you're going to tell the authorities about it. Like this.
I saw someone stealing from the corner shop.
What did you do?
I turned them in to the owner.
Turn in is really useful. Have a listen. I'm absolutely knackered. I think I'll turn in.
Lucky you. My class all turned in their reports to me today, so I have to mark them.
Good luck with that. Oh, by the way, did you hear about Sam? He punched his friend who turned him in to the police. So whether it's bedtime, handing in work, or reporting someone to the authorities, turn in is a great phrase to use. Watch out for the next lesson in this bite-sized series. I'll see you next time.